Taylor and I are right now on our way to Hollywood Studios. Her and I were there earlier today and we went on almost every single ride except for Tower of Terror. Gorgeous day coming here to Hollywood Studios.
It's not your ticket, it's just not reading your finger.
There it is, even closer.
Who agrees, like, that no matter how many times you ride Tower of Terror, it's still scary? Are you nervous?
No, absolutely not. Not at all. Nah, it wasn't that bad. Not at all. That was easy.